Good morning. Good morning. Let's wait a little bit. Also, let me join TikTok. I want to show you something, but I will erase this for now. What's up, guys? Let's wait for a few minutes. Hello from Romania, neighbor. Okay. I just have to tell you that I'm writing with one support because I have some issues. So there is a possibility that I make a very quick pauses. I mean pauses that I stop speak until I get the issue fixed. Sell gold. No. I'm reading the comments. Excuse me. So take profit. Oh, you're looking probably on 4-hour third point on the trend line. Yeah, I'm going to speak about this. So guys, let's start from the daily time frame and see what we have. Still, oh my god, my my chart is an absolute mess. But now on daily time frame we still have a head and shoulders pattern. The price is still you can see to the neckline. Probably maybe not today, of course, but it will reach this trend line again, and from there eventually it will make a huge fall, or it will break it up and this whole pattern will fail. Yesterday you didn't come live. Yeah, yesterday I had to go to pick up one doctor for my second child. He make a visit in our home. Everything is okay, but in my country, in Bulgaria, we proceed like that. When a new baby is born, the doctor come to the house, check if everything is okay and stuff like that. So I was a little bit busy. That's why I didn't came up live in the morning. But we had a very nice trade during the night. So I will talk about this a little bit later. And later, after that, we had a very nice trade in the inner circle. So today I'm here, guys. Yeah, the other stuff is that today is some holiday in United States, so probably the market will be very slow. So okay, let's continue. On a daily time frame, we are still in this bearish pattern, the head and shoulders pattern. The price breaks the pattern. You can watch how to trade this pattern in my YouTube channel. I have a very nice long video about it with many examples and stuff. So if you want to learn something, go and check my YouTube channel. Now the price breaks it and returns to test it. It is still testing. So now if this pattern turns out to be good, the price will eventually fall many pips. I told you many times in the previous days that I don't believe that we will see such a huge fall of the gold. Eventually everything is possible, of course, but I think that that it may made some fall, but it will not fulfill the whole pattern, because if it has to fulfill the whole pattern, it will probably has to fall 2000 pips, something like that, because this is on daily time frame. So on 4 hour, I actually didn't make analysis before that, so we're going to make it together. So the first thing you can see on 4 hour is this huge trend line and this small trend line. So the price didn't break it here. Okay, let me erase this small trend lines and lines. So the price gets some rejection here, but we have to wait to see how the candle will close, because there is a possibility the candle to close bullish, and that means breakout. If it closes like an engulfing candle, which I can see happening for now, I mean this 4 hour candle, because it closes in 12 minutes, it will be bearish. So on 4 hour I think we should wait, but eventually this is our point of view for now. Let me erase this one also, or this, so we can see clearly. Let's see how it closes, how it will close, and it probably will tell us what will probably happen next. But this holiday in the United States means that today I probably of course we are not going to witness any huge movements like this or this. So probably the market will be slow, and if it is slow, I can tell you from now, I probably am not going to enter trades, because if it moves sideways for 10, 20, 30 pips up, 20, 30 pips down, I don't like it, and it is frustrating, slow, and I don't like trading markets like that. So probably I will stay away and get some rest. We'll see. You can see that the price now is started to go up. Let me check the DXY. Yeah, DXY still looks like maybe it will make, I don't know, maybe it will make another correction. Probably we should draw some trend lines here also. But you can see that the price started to go up, so probably we're not going to witness this fall at this moment. There's still some 10 minutes, but okay. On 1 hour, yeah, it looks like it tried to make a breakout. Let me just observe everything. Yesterday I wrote in the people in the inner circle that here we had a one trend line on 5 minutes. We will check it in a minute. Okay, there is problem again with my voice. I don't know why, guys. Is it better now? If I can probably pick the microphone closer to me. I don't know why this guy is doing this. So because yesterday you can see these two tops here, the price breaks. Let me go to 15 minutes. Yeah, here I will speak about it. Very, very beautiful trade. We made absolutely great profits. So you can see the price breaks the bottom here, and after that collect this like a liquidity, that forms like liquidity here. So I thought that if we see a breakout here, nice breakout, we would eventually see the price to return to this area, but that didn't happen. So now on 5 minutes, this zone here, look, huge fall, 1 2 3 4, the 3 candles, and a rise with a breakout. So probably this is some order block now, from which the price makes a rejection, but I still don't know if this is good for entering. I think it's early for entering buy positions, but the stop loss would be 30 pips, and eventually the profit could be 60 pips. 2-to-1 trade, but I don't know, guys. With this bank holiday, let me check what you wrote. Good morning, sir. I am new beginner trader. Can you help me with advice? What should I supposed to focus on? So guys, I told you in the previous live 2 days ago, I think, I will announce it maybe tomorrow, I don't know. I'm going to make something like let's say yesterday I thought about it, a beginner circle. It is for people who wants to dive into trading, to learn how to trade, but they don't have any experience, they don't have any knowledge, because it is normal if you just start, you don't have this stuff. So I want to make like an accelerator, like a beginner's course, which will be super cheap, something like $10. It will be $10 for let's say, I think 8 hours. It's not going to be a course, but it's going to be a live coaching sessions with me. So 8 astronomical hours, not at once, of course, but let's say 8 days. They could be consecutive days, or 2 times a week. I will think of it today because I was busy yesterday. I will think of it today, and I will probably announce it later. So guys, even if you have some experience, I think this will be super helpful, because I will show you there how to draw trend lines, how to find the daily bias, how to find the good levels, how to find the support and resistance areas, supply and demand zones, and stuff like that, which are not so beginner, but I will dive into them, because these are the most known things before you start trading. How to learn patience, not only in trading but in day-to-day as well. Yeah, also, yeah, I will speak about psychology, money management, and stuff like that. Also, I will show you how to use the all these softwares like MetaTrader, how to properly execute trades, how to set buy limits, sell limits, how to collect multiple profits, and stuff like that, which are absolutely must known. No matter if you're trading crypto, stocks, stuff like that, you must know these things. What time do you trade in the evening? I trade after the New York session opens and after the news came out, about 30 minutes to an hour after the first news, which are 3:30 p.m. in my country. And now you can see it's 9 a.m. so you can do the math which time it is in Bulgaria. Morning, I'm new in trading, I want to learn from Yeah, guys, join my free Telegram group. I will announce this beginner workshop, or I don't know how to call it. So it will be super good for you to join it, because it will be cheaper than anything else you can find online, and it will be live with me. So we're going to be happy if you did that. Yeah, I will do it, definitely. Let me just see what this support write me. Okay. Is it chargeable? Yeah, it will be $9.99, $10, something like that. The price is not to make some profits from it, but it's more like because I will announce it and probably will make ads about it. So I want to differentiate, what was the word in English, but to separate the people that actually want to learn something from the people that are there just to see and go away. So yeah, guys, I will check everything today and we'll announce it later today, so stay tuned. Don't worry, I will announce it and we will start it probably after a week from now, so I have time to prepare everything. So I want to be super professional. I want to be much overvalue for the price you're paying. So it will be good. So for now, you can see the price is in the trend line. Nothing interesting for now. Yeah, let me flip the camera. Guys, if you are from Nigeria, there is some problem with this WAP link. I will, my firm is okay, so I will probably add PayPal today. I will try to add and adjust PayPal, but that's, I don't know why there is some legal issue with Nigeria, and you have to use VPN, or probably for the payment, I mean, or probably go with crypto. It's also an option. So guys, you have to know, last time when there was a holiday in USA, there were no good movements on the market. The price all day just moved sideways. So I probably think this will be the situation now, because at this current moment the price is in the trend line. This is a very good, not very good, but it is a good trend line, because we have two huge rejections here on the higher time frames. So it will play some role, and you can see that at this current moment the price is still here. So it didn't close. You can see on 4 hour it closes with wicks on both sides. On the previous candle, wicks on both sides. On 1 hour, down, up. So we don't have a focused movement for now. I told you here it's more like a order book or so zone, some zone. The price made a rejection, but you can see this whole movement is less than 20 pips. So if it continue, no, this is not an order book for sale, because the price didn't break the bottoms. If it continues like that, we will probably stay away from the charts. I will focus on this beginner, and also today I will have a very nice live session with the inner circle. I will speak about my strategy of breakouts, and also we'll make a breakout on the previous days, because yesterday I had a very stupid loss. Here the price hit my stop loss for 4 or 5 pips, and you can see the profit. The profit was about here, so it was 85 pips straight, and it didn't happen because it hit my stop loss for 5 pips. But I will speak about stuff like that. This happens. This is trading. I try to be transparent. I show you everything. Let me check why I'm not in your inner circle. Crypto is better. Okay, if you want to join with crypto, write me on private. It is possible, don't worry. Also trade with price action. Yeah. I don't make super in-depth analysis. You can see, if you trade with me every morning, I sit on the computer. I didn't watch the chart before that because I'm busy. I have 2 childs, I have other stuff to do. So I sit on the computer and start from daily chart, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and when I go to 5 minutes, I decide whether it looks good for some entries or I should wait a little bit. And I have 3 strategies: breakouts, grab liquidity, and smart money. These are the 3 strategies that I'm trading. In the mornings, I'm looking mostly breakouts. How exactly I watch them and waiting for them, I will speak about today in the inner circle. And the smart money and the grab liquidity, I trade them mostly during New York session, because they are the biggest volumes and there the manipulations happen. So yeah. So guys, I think that this will be the situation for today, and there is nothing bad in not entering a trade, because guys, you know that sometimes, let me check something, that sometimes it's better to stay away, whether to enter some frustrating trades and to wait for something that will probably not going to happen. Just a second. Just a second, guys. I'm checking something. I told you. Okay. So if you have questions, ask. If not, probably I will end the live for now because at this moment I don't see anything. Eventually for buying I will wait for some breakout on 5 minutes here, but still not sure because of this bank holiday. DXY. Yeah, guys, probably I will stay away from trading this morning because you can see the price is not moving at all. Why should we enter a trade if there is no movements at all? There is no point. So we'll wait, we'll see on the New York session, and if anything forms, we eventually will enter then. Okay, guys, there's days like that. There are days like that. So I prefer to not do anything because the price is literally not moving for 5-10 minutes now. When there are no volumes, there is no reason for us to do whatever, no matter what, I mean. So I told you, for now the price is in this area where if it breaks on the upper side, it will probably make some movement to the bigger trend line. Let me show you again. So if it makes a breakout here, it will probably, of course, not with one candle, but it will be a process to eventually break this break this previous top and to reach the trend line, and from there eventually to see a huge fall or something like that. For now we are bearish. On daily time frame it is still bearish. On 4 hour, now you can see that the price is breaking this small trend line. So our other eventual indicator is this trend line here, but until this trend line there are 100 and more pips, but the price is not moving at all. So I prefer to stay away for now because you can see it makes 1 pip, 2 up, then down, absolutely no volumes. This is because there is some holiday in the United States. If it closes under, I mean eventually break these bottoms, it will probably go down. But again, more likely is for today to see the price just make some, it probably can make some movements, but I think it will be a sideway most of the day, because when the United States is not working, there are no huge volumes on the market. Sir, my question is, how should I going to identify a liquidity? This is also a theme that I am going to speak about in this beginner course, or how should I say it, because these are the most important things. So I will go through everything, and after that we will make question and answer sessions So I hope you learn much more than you expect for the $10 that you're paying. Okay guys, if there is anything I will probably write you down, but for now I will focus on my other stuff. So because the market is super slow, there is nothing interesting at this moment. I think that today will be not trading day, so there is nothing bad at taking a break. But of course I will observe it. If I see some good setups, I will write them down. So that was everything for today, and we'll see us together tomorrow. Bye guys. Is Juneteenth Independence Day today? That's yeah, I told you it is a bank holiday. So guys, take a break also, and don't wait for something that might not happening. So if there is anything, I will write down. If not, see us tomorrow.